So the next session is pseudo number generation principle and pseudo random number generator. The aim of this session is the introduce the basic principle of random number generation and types of random number generator. What the outcome we will get after this session? We will know what is the random number generation and how much types of random number generation. This module demonstrate block cipher mode of operation. It also help to identify which cipher operate as block cipher and stream cipher. Principle of pseudo random number generator are listed and type of pseudo number generator are discussed. Finally, stream cipher and its example like RC4 algorithm are demonstrated. A pseudo number generator PRNG, it is also called, is a deterministic algorithm that produce a sequence of number that appear to be random but are actually generated using a mathematical formula. PRNG are widely used in cryptography, simulation and other applications where random number are required. So it is important to note that while PRNG can produce number that appear randomly, they are not truly random and are subject to certain vulnerabilities. Okay. For example, if an attacker can determine the seed value and the algorithm used by a PRNG, they may be able to predict the entire sequence of number it will produce. So in this way we can say that PRNG are not the truly random number generator. In this way, like this, if I am say xn is depend upon the xn minus 1 into r. So this xn is depend on the xn minus 1 stage. xn plus 1 will depend on the xn. So if we will get the seed value, initial value, then a attacker may get the sequence. So it must be mandatory that he or she must not get the seed value. That's why see the second point. For example, if an attacker can determine the seed value means initial value. If attacker will know the seed value and the algorithm used by the PRNG, then he or she may be able to predict the entire sequence or either any number of the iteration. Okay, so that is the important thing, and that's why it is also not called the truly pseudo random number generator. Third point, to address these vulnerabilities, cryptographic PRNGs use a combination of a secret key and a seed value to produce a sequence of number that is both random and unpredictable. These cryptographic PRNGs are used in applications such as generating encryption key, authentication token and random number for use in cryptographic protocol. Pseudo random number generator. A random number is a value that is generated unpredictably and lack any discrepancy pattern or relationship to previously generated values. Random number play a crucial role in various fields including cryptography, simulation, statistical analysis, gaming and more. Now, types of random number. One of them is the truly random number. What the example you can give of the truly random number? Like the share market. No one can know what will the next graph for a particular share, like the weather forecasting. Okay. True random number are generated from unpredictable physical process such as atmospheric noise, radioactive decay or thermal noise. DRNGs provide genuinely random and unbiased number as they are derived from the natural phenomena. It is not depend from the previous value as the pseudocode random number generation. Okay. However, generating true random number can be challenging and often require specialized hardware. Pseudo-random number. Pseudo-random number are generated by deterministic algorithm that use mathematical formula and a sheet value to produce a sequence of number that appears randomly. Okay. PRNGs are repeatable, meaning that with the same sheet value they will produce the same sequence of number. Okay. However, the generated number are not truly random but rather achieve statistical randomness and pass various tests for randomness. Why? In the second point again, why it is not truly random? Because they are depend on the previous value. Every next stage is depend on the value of the previous stage. Criteria: uniform distribution and independency. Okay. These are the some application of the random number generation, like generating encryption keys, conducting statistical sampling, simulating real world scenarios, ensuring fairness in games, enhancing security in cryptography system. Types of random number, that is the true random number generator. True random number generator are device or algorithm that generate random number from unpredictable physical process or phenomena. Unlike pseudo random number generator, which rely on deterministic algorithm, truly random number generation utilize inherent randomness in the physical world to produce truly random number and unbiased number. Okay. Here there are the some key points for the truly random number generator: unpredictable source, hardware based and physical phenomena. Pseudo random testing and certification, not deterministic output and application. It worth nothing that truly random number generation may have limitation such as slower generator speed compared to PRNGs and potential bias or correlation in generated random number. See this diagram very carefully. For random bit stream, source of true randomness, conversion in the binary, and we are getting the random bit stream. It is the TRNG. True random number generator. If I am asking for pseudo random bit stream, then sheet value must be as the input. We will insert some deterministic algorithm and we will get a bit. This bit what we will get will be work as the feedback for getting the next bit. So in this way you can say it is the dependable, like y is equal to xp plus ya. So the next stage of the ya is depend on its earlier stage, like it is the yn and it will be yn minus 1. Sorry, it will be okay. One more is thing. Pseudo random value. In the pseudo random value, if there is a single value, then in that case we will use this phenomena pseudo random value. In the pseudo random value, context is specific value, sheet, and we will use a deterministic algorithm. Okay. So these are the some self-assessment questions. Which of the following statement is true about random number generator? What is the main purpose of a random number generator in cryptography? Which of the following is a key principle of a secure random number generator? Which type of random number generator use physical phenomena to generate randomness? Okay, these are the reference. Thank you for this session.